Hi guys! Today I'm going to share my new simple strategy that will help you earn $815 on binary options trading. Don't miss my new working trading strategies and subscribe to this channel to keep up to date with all updates. The future of your success begins right now. Please like us and let's take to the first step together. Are you ready? So come on! I'm an expert in trading, and in this video I will show you how I earn money from trading. Use strategies to make money trading with minimal risks, so you can use my strategies that I show and use them. But most importantly, think with a cool head and do not rely on emotions when trading. Always conduct an analysis before operations. The most exciting part of my videos is my new strategy, which is guaranteed to work 100%. My strategy consists of two key indicators, Arun and fractal chaos bats. With the help of these indicators, I determine in which direction our chart will go. It's very simple. If the line in the indicator intersects with a downward reversal, this is our downside signal. Similarly, and vice versa. Another indicator shows the overall movement of the chart, which will also help us make decisions. So, simple and clear. And now we go to the settings. I will leave everything to the basic settings, and I leave the standard settings for the indicators. Now turn on the candles and set the interval to 1 minute. The transaction time is 30 seconds and you can start. I start with the amount of $60. It is from this amount that we will leave at $815. We open the CHF GPY OTC currency pair and open our first trade for an increase in the amount of $60. Here we observe the intersection of the line in the indicator towards the rise. This is our signal to an increase. We see how our first deal confidently goes into the plus and the balance is $115. Are you eager to achieve financial independence? Join our trading group and receive signal for successful trades. Let's build your financial future together. The link to the group is available in the description. For the second deal, we put the amount of $115. Analyze the situation and make a deal for a decrease. There's a general downward movement of the chart, the intersection of lines towards the decline of the chart. This is our signal to go down. Pocket option is not just a platform, it's my path to success. I feel absolutely confident and secure with this broker. Join my Telegram channel to get a referral link and start your journey to financial independence with us. This is how our deal is coming to an end. As we can see, our strategy is working. Our second transaction ends in a plus and our balance is already $221. Now we are increasing our transaction amount to $221. And now we're looking for the next situation that suits us, and this time we open a downgrade deal in the amount of $221. In this case, the indicator shows us a decline in the chart. This is a confident signal to go down. So the deal is over, the next correct deal in a row, and we observe our balance at $424. The last trade will be for a decrease in the amount of $424, and in this case the indicator shows us a general downward movement and line crossings towards the decline of chart. So the deal is over, the next correct deal in a row, we observe our balance at $815. Our strategy is coming to an end, and with the help of it, we have reached $850 just from $60. All our deals were confidently successfully closed, which shows the success of the strategies that I showed you. So that's all for today. Good luck, and I wish you a good profits. So thank you. Bye bye. Are you ready to increase your income through trading? So join my Telegram channel and use my referral link for pocket option bonuses. This is a great way to increase your earnings. If you're interested, please like and subscribe to the channel to receive new signals. See you in the channel Future Crypto Millionaires. Bye bye.